Hey guys, it's Henry from Mowers and Blowers again. Today it's a nice 80-degree day here in New York, in Long Island. And I thought I'd work on this mower I got for $10 the other day from Motherload 10. The whole thing looks in pretty good shape. All it looks like it needs, for sure, obviously, is the pull rope. So I'm going to take that top cowling off. I think it's four bolts. Take the top cover off and put a new pull rope in there. Then we can see if it starts up. So the cover's off, just those 4 bolts. And then there's 3 on the side of the recoil starter. So now all the bolts are off. You simply just take that off here. So obviously just a rope. Feels good because it's the coil is still tight and goes back. So we just need to cut that rope out, take this knot, cut the rope out, put a new rope and a handle, of course. And I'll tell you what, I just checked the oil. It's a good sign. You know why? Take a look at that oil. Pretty good oil, clean, which means that the guy probably has this serviced, which tells me that this rope probably is the only reason why he threw it out, you know? So I just took the old one out, put a new one in, made a knot, wound it up. Now it's just gonna suck it in. So now you got it sucked in. You put it approximately there. Oops. And then kind of measure, you know, it's about there. You want the handle right around there. So I'll probably just cut it right there. Remember to slip the rope through the top cowling hole too, and then put it through your handle. So I just put everything back now. It's on the handle. Just primed it a little bit. I think it has some gas in there. I'll give it a try. How about that, huh? Just like I expected. All it needed was a recoil rope, and it starts up. Didn't have to mess with the carburetor or anything. Seems like the RPMs are a little low, you know, so I'm just going to adjust the spring and make it a little bit more higher revs. The engine seems running kind of slow, is my opinion. Self-propelled works and has a bagger, so I'm going to put this up for like 150 bucks. That was an easy fix for you know, a $10 mower, you know. Anyway, that's how easy sometimes it is, you know. Sometimes you just get lucky. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.